Now we look at module 2, the applied thermodynamics, that is on gas turbines and jet propulsions. Okay, we will see what is gas turbine as well as various types of jet propulsion. In jet propulsion, it is mainly theory. We will see some four types of jet propulsion, that is turbojet, turboprop, ramjet, and rocket. Whereas in gas turbine, we will see this open type gas turbine, closed type gas turbine, and the ways to improve the efficiency of gas turbine. Okay, a gas turbine is a thermal prime mover that converts the heat energy of the hot air, that is burnt gas, into mechanical work in the form of rotation of shaft. Okay, it's a prime mover which converts heat energy into mechanical work, that is rotation of a shaft. Gas turbines are exclusively used to propel aircrafts because of their high power to weight ratio. These aeroplane engines, they are mostly gas turbines only. Earlier they are IC engines, but now all I think 16,000 aircraft flying, they are all globally they are all turbojet only. Okay? And very few are turboprop because they have got very high power and very less weight, and that is useful for flying. They are also used in trains, ships, tanks, and alongside steam turbines in power stations to generate electricity. Actually, gas turbines are not used in very frequently used in India for power generation, but in other countries, gas turbine is used for power generation. Combined cycle. First, you will generate power by gas turbine at a very high temperature, and then that heat is used by the steam turbine. That is in combined cycle power plants. Okay, they are also used in trains, but not in India. Okay, you can find them in power plants and aeroplane engines. Now, classification of the gas turbines. Based on the flow of working substance during the cycle of operation, gas turbines are classified into two types. One is open cycle gas turbine, and the second is closed type gas turbine. Now let us see what is open cycle gas turbine. Uh, the figure shows the open cycle gas turbine. It consists of a rotary compressor, combustion chamber, and a turbine, reaction type turbine. Both the turbine and compressor are mounted on the common shaft, so that a part of the power developed by the turbine is used to drive the compressor. I think you need to be very clear on this. In gas turbines, the turbine and compressor are mounted on the same shaft, and the power to run the compressor is taken from the turbine itself. One. Second, between the compressor and the turbine, there is a combustion chamber where fuel and air is supplied, and it burns, and it is expanded in the turbine. And on the same shaft, you will have the mechanical work, rotation of shaft, and here mechanical work, it can be used to generate power or to fly an aircraft. This air is taken from the atmosphere, compressed, and it is burnt in the combustion chamber. Here fuel is supplied, and turbine, it is expanded. So when it is expanded, the mechanical work is done. So as I was telling, gas turbines are used in conjunction with steel power plants on the high temperature side, like combined, that is known as combined cycle power plants. Okay, so the gas turbine will have high temperature, and that output of the gas turbine, like here what it is coming, this will go to the steam turbine. Okay, instead of boiler, this heat, still it is very hot, this will go to the exhaust from the gas, will go to the steam power plant, because steam you will run it up 300 to 500 degrees centigrade only. This is enough. The exhaust gases from a gas turbine utilized to convert water into steam, which is drives the turbine supplied to the generator to produce electricity. I said it is combined cycle gas power plant. Now we will see the operation. In operation, the compressor draws the air from the atmosphere and compresses it to high pressure. The compressed air then flows into the combustion chamber where the fuel is burned at constant pressure. The hot gases produced by combustion process mixes with the compressed air. Due to this, air gets heated up and also its mass increases. The high pressure and high temperature hot gases are then made to flow through the turbine blades, where the heat energy is converted into mechanical work for the rotation of shaft. The shaft of the turbine may be connected to a generator for producing electricity or any other device such as ship's propeller for doing useful work. The gases coming out of the turbine are discharged to the atmosphere as they cannot be used anymore. Since the working substance is discharged